Hope you're okay. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset or reset your Tapo Smart Plug. Now for me, I have the Tapo P100 model, but these instructions will basically apply to any smart plug from Tapo. Now, as you can see, I'm currently charging my phone using the Tapo Smart Plug as it's connected to the smart plug, and as you can see, it's currently working. So if I turn it off from here, as you can see, it stops charging. Then once I turn it on once again, it now starts charging. Now to factory reset this smart plug, all you have to do is press and hold this power button on the side. Sorry about that, let's connect that again. So all you have to do is press and hold this power button on the side for 10 seconds until this smart plug resets. Now this is going to erase all data on this completely, and you're going to have to start setting it up once again. So let's do that together. So press and hold for 10 seconds. So I'll put it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. It's going to factory reset, and it's going to turn back on and off, and it's now going to enter into pairing mode having been reset. And now on your phone, if you refresh on this page, this might disappear, or it might take a bit of time to disappear. But once you go back up here and select add device, it's going to scan for devices and it's going to find your Tapo smart plug. Now you can always select plugs here and then select your Tapo P100 if it's that's the model, and then choose to add it on again, and then now proceed with the setup process. But that's basically how to factory reset your Tapo smart plug. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we're going to answer you. If you liked or this was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.